I've said was that even though his abduction was wrong, but at the same time, the case before then was that he has the case to answer, which was the case that they took to the was it the High Court or the Appeal Court or whatever, and the case that his lawyer took there was that maybe he doesn't have any case to answer due to the fact that it was abducted, it wasn't arrested, the proper way. But the Supreme Court has come to say, no, even though the abduction was wrong, but that doesn't mean that he doesn't have a case to answer. So when people start coming here and say, oh, the High Court have already set him free, why didn't you let him go? I mean, when the High Court when the High Court gave the judgment to Bola Tinubu that he won the case at the High Court, gave the judgment to Tinubu against Obi and Atiku. Why didn't they just stop there? Why did they have to go to the Supreme Court? Because they have the right to do so, and it is the same right that the federal government is also doing, because they have the right. Now about Nmadi Kanu, I mean, anybody can say, due to, we might, try to be talking about, from our own biases, or because maybe I'm Igbo or something like that. But from, a normal, I think, point of view, because I don't want to be so because I'm a Yoruba or because I'm an Hausa man. This man has a case to answer, because people are being killed every day just because of the kind of ideology that this somebody is trying to bring. And the fact remains that we have to keep talking about it. But unfortunately, some people, when they kill people in the Southeast, they won't, especially the, I'm talking about the higher hierarchy people in the Southeast. They don't want to say anything about it when there is any killing or anything about it. But let there be any killing in the North or somewhere elsewhere, they are the first to tweet. They are the first to come on different platforms. But there is a fire burning in their own backyard. But you will not see them say anything. But the government of the day will not keep watching. And this is the way I see, because I don't really want to, keep hammering or spend too much time, talking about what some people do or what some people don't do. But the way I see Nmadi Kanu's case, in my own way, is that this case is going to go back. This man is going to go back to trial. At the end of the day, I believe this guy is going to be convicted. But at the same time, I believe Tinubu, at the end of the day, will set this man free. But because Tinubu cannot give this man a pardon if he's not being convicted. You cannot pardon somebody that is not convicted. He still has to go back to the trial for us to be talking about, maybe political settlement or anything like that. But that's just the way I say it. Thank you.